and welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be creating these beautiful black and silver candle holders. If you'd like to see how we accomplish this look, please continue watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I would also like to apologize for my inconvenience of having you guys waiting so long. I've been having a lot of technical issues, but let's get this video started. Thank you. so here is the finished look. Very pretty. The bottom piece I purchased at a secondhand store, 3 for about $10. The top portion you can get from the dollar store, anywhere from $1.99 to $5.99, but they're pretty thick, so they're really good with the candles. You can also use battery operated candles for safety. The lighter I purchased it at Amazon, so it's very good. So there it is, guys. So this concludes this DIY project. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I would also like to take this time to thank you so much for being so patient. I did lose some of my videos and I'm trying my best to get them back, but it's been such a headache. This one, it was missing some videos, but it wasn't too bad. So I did a little bit of DIY on my sideboard with different colors that you can use for these items. So thank you once again. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.